Sorry, Tito Mario. Ang ganda-ganda ng suot ko, nadapalak ako. Sorry, Tito Mario. It was a pleasure na mapatid sa sapatos mo maganda. Inaantay lang natin si Direk May Cruz. This is her first ever full-length na pelikula. Diba? So, bonggang-bongga.
Retake.
Take two.
Take two, ha?
Action!
Let's all, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Let's all give a big hand and welcome Miss Direk May Cruz and the stars of Babe, I Love You, sina Ann Curtis and Samuel.
Dito po muna tayo sa mga seats kasi papanoorin pa natin ang full trailer. So, Sam, Ann, and Direk May, upo muna tayo. Ayan, habang umuupo si Sam, si Ann, at si Direk May, we'd like to thank Dermablend and Eloquente Catering. At syempre, ito na nga po ang summer offering ng Star Cinema para sa inyong lahat. So, panoorin na po natin ang full trailer ng Babe, I Love You. Star Cinema and Viva Films. May mga taong never kang may in love.
May mga tao, hindi ka dapat may in love. She's crazy.
Ay!
Crazy as in wild?
Crazy, period.
Maganda siya, no?
She's a promo girl.
Eh di maganda nga.
You okay?
Wasak yung kotse ko. Palipat yung leeg ko. Tapos tatanungin mo ako kung okay lang ako. Ikaw, okay ka lang? Hoy! Nicolas, piyara mo yung utang mo sa akin. Ikaw may utang ka ba sa akin? Huwag mo akong tatakbuhan, ha? Itidemanda kita! Itidemanda kita!
Look, Sasa, I'm trying to help you right now.
Dali, dali! Ay!
Nico?
I like her. But she's so different.
The trick is, just go with the flow. Ganun lang kasimple.
Nay, malay mo, may in love siya sa akin. Loka! Eto siya, oh. Eto ka.
Sasa, may lakad ka pa ba?
Wala. Bakit? Yahoo! Ang cute mo pala pagkakangiti, no? Sarap, no? Kalabaw yan.
Sometimes, it's the differences that make love exciting. Wow naman. Nangyayari pala talaga yun.
But are those enough to keep the relationship going?
Uy, Nico! Smile naman dyan!
In case it isn't clear to you, I am a professor here. Ibig sabihin, ginagalang ako dito. So do not make a scene.
Nahihiya ka bang kasama ako?
Oo, okay na?
Star Cinema and Viva Films present Sam Milby and Ann Curtis in the story of how love brings changes out of differences. This is one summer you will never ever forget. Babe, I Love You, directed by May Cruz. April 3, 2010.
So now we'd like to request Sam, Ann, and Direk May sa ating presidential table. We'll be starting our Q&As at we are also live via web streaming po via www.chat.abs-cbn.com. So yung mga fans ni Ann tsaka ni Sam, although they're not here, pwede silang magtanong via chat natin, via ABS-CBN Interactive naman. Ayan. So dalawa kaming moderator po ni Tita Ethel. Ayan, yung microphone ni Tita Ethel. I'll pass the mic first to Tita Ethel.
My gentle reminder lang kami sa inyo. Again, we plead ha, na kung pwede, i-focus lang ang mga tanong sa tungkol sa pelikula at saka tungkol sa kina Sam and ano lang, Ann, per se, and of course, kay Direk May.
Ang translation po niyan, ang magtanong ng hindi tama, maliligwak sa earth. Kaya, umayos daw po, ha? Okay. Ganon.
Ako magtatanong ng first question. Direk May, this is your first directorial job. Opo. Pwedeng bigyan mo kami ng konting background about yourself.
First of all, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po for coming tonight and for taking time out to support our film. First, a background on myself. Talagang Star Cinema baby po ako. Nagsimula ako as a production assistant and my first project was Magic Temple. From then on, I became a script con, assistant director, backpack director, till I started directing. My first directorial job was sa Maalaala Mo Kaya. Then I moved on to doing soap operas. And I did na po trilogy with John D. Lazatin and with Cathy Garcia Molina, yung Because of You. And this is my first full-length film po. Yun po.
How was it working with the two of them?
Ann and Sam, horrible. Joke. Hindi po. It's such a blessing that my first full-length is with Ann and Sam. Kasi po, sa Maging Sino Ka Man, I work closely with them from book 1 to book 2. And parang, we've established a relationship. And dito ngayon sa pelikula, parang ang laking partida na ang stars ko ay dalawang kaibigan na napaka-professional at napakabait. So I'm really, really lucky to have them as my, to be the stars of my first film.